Let me show you how we can enter or exit the safe mode on OPPO Reno 15 Pro. So if you want to go to the safe mode, first of all, we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then we're gonna slide up over here, this white circle towards the restart option. And once you see the OPPO logo on your screen, you want to count to 8 and then press and hold volume down button. This is not the one. We will feel a vibration and then we will see the OPPO logo. And I'm gonna count. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna press and hold volume down now. And just keep holding this button all the time until you see the lock screen. If you do this correctly, you should see the safe mode text in the bottom left corner. Now we can unlock our phone. So now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you just have to restart your phone again. So I'm gonna once again use the same combination of buttons, so the power and volume up, and we can slide up to restart our phone. And now, once it turns back on, it's going to be back in the normal mode. However, you want to, of course, keep in mind that once we go to the safe mode, the airplane mode is enabled automatically. And if you exit, the airplane mode might still be on, so remember to turn it off. Leave a like and subscribe.